Looking for a single tool that can safely handle delicate electronics and keyboard switches? Let's talk about the Granvela anti-static IC puller. This isn't just a niche gadget, it's a versatile, essential tool for anyone working with sensitive components. Its core purpose is safe, non-damaging extraction. Whether you're pulling a stubborn integrated circuit from a socket or carefully removing mechanical keyboard switches for a mod or repair, this tool is designed for the job. What makes it stand out immediately is its thoughtful construction. It's made from durable, thickened stainless steel, so it feels solid and won't bend under pressure. The key feature, literally wrapped around it, is a PVC insulating sleeve. This isn't just for grip, it provides a genuine anti-static barrier, crucial for protecting sensitive ICs and keyboard PCBs from electrostatic discharge. In real-world use, the design shines. The specific, wide-opening jaw design has a natural grip of about 2.2 inches, and it adjusts smoothly to firmly grasp components without scratching or crushing them. At around 4 inches long, it offers great leverage and control. I've used it to pull chips and 3-pin keyboard switches with equal ease. It's perfect for static-free environments like labs or workshops, but just as handy for home DIY builds on your desk. For pros, you get excellent durability, genuine ESD protection, and fantastic dual-purpose versatility. The only minor con is that for extremely tight spaces, its size might be a tad large, but for most standard ICs and keyboard switches, it's ideal. Compared to flimsy, all-plastic pullers or using makeshift tools like screwdrivers, the Granvela is in a different league. It's a professional-grade tool at a very accessible price. A quick practical tip: always gently wiggle the component side to side while pulling straight up. This breaks the seal evenly and prevents bent pins. Overall, if you work with electronics or keyboards, this simple, well-made puller is a must-have. It does one job, or rather 2 jobs, exceptionally well. Thanks for watching, and happy building.